What are the key challenges in managing IT project portfolio, and how do you address them to ensure resilience?
So the key challenges in managing portfolios, uh, one would be resource management, the people and the funding, governance, having good process and control, change management, risk management, and performance measures. Resource management would be having the allocations between supporting your current book of business and the hours needed for projects. Some organizations have resources that do both. So being able to have a process in place to have a placeholder for hours for support as well as projects. Having limited resource types, you only have so many report writers, DBAs to get the work done. Also, having the right tools to manage, report, and track the resource time. Working with resource managers or office managers to review resource needs, training needs, identifying consulting services for additional resources needed for particular projects, or maybe needing to hire more staff for those types of tasks. Uh, Funding, another resource, having limited funding or funding with business rules and deadlines for use can be very challenging. And to address all of these, the portfolio strategic plan contains the resources, the funding for the initiatives, and how those contribute to the objectives. Your project portfolio, or I'm sorry, the project charter will grant the portfolio manager the authority to apply resources to projects. And you need to have a good portfolio management information system for tracking, managing, and reporting on the resources, as well as project information. Another challenge was governance. Lacking process controls and oversight can lead to poor project performance. Having unplanned projects or problems taking more time than anticipated. Nothing like having a good old power outage to rally the troops. Another area of business taking higher priority than others and using the majority of the resources, such as in government, we have public safety, obviously takes higher priority, and then the other areas of business are competing for remaining resources. In order to address those type of challenges, your portfolio management plan will have the governance model needed for those, and having strategic drivers that consistently prioritize projects and hopefully will apply uh, resources equitably across your lines of business. Change management. The increasing business demands make it harder to track all the changes made in the organization, such as data and system changes. So your portfolio management plan will address the change control and management processes for your organization. Another challenge is risk management, identifying and analyzing root causes and responding in a timely manner. Uh, Addressing that type of challenge, you would have your risk management plan and tools and techniques such as weighted rankings and scoring techniques. Examples of those would be the probability and impact matrix, sorry, and the tornado diagrams. A plan should document the organization's risk tolerance, their risk process, and identifying risk owners. Performance measures, establishing key performance indicators or KPIs for projects, as well as the overall portfolio. And regularly tracking and reporting on performance will help areas identifying areas that need attention.